Yep.
Let's do this right, okay? Let's do this right. Come over here for me. Okay, try not to hit his line though, okay? Yeah, there you go. Okay. So a little more upstream of that fish. Good, get ready. Set. Good. Do it again. Catch a little more upstream with that fish, okay? He's not getting down. There you go. Oh, moving over. Set, right there. There he is. Rod back. Good, good. Keep the rod back. We're going to go down to the right. Okay, keep him down low. Keep the rod back.
I can't keep touching.
Okay, keep it pitching. Okay, good. Now stop reeling, stop reeling. Good, good, good. There, you're going to lift up. Okay, now I want you to lift up high. Lift up high. Okay, hold on, Doug. He's not ready yet. Let him run, let him run. Okay, keep the rod low, right? Doug, probably back up. He's going to hit you with that long. He's got a 10-foot rod there. Yeah, it's a bit long. Ready? Now lift up. Okay, let it go, let it go.
Still got some energy.
Okay, let go. Keep the rod back. Good job. Okay, we're going to walk him down. Let's go downstream with him. Let's walk him. Watch out there, Knox. Okay, we're coming down to you. Keep that side pressure right. Doug, you want a big...
Yeah, I should have got my box with that.
Teamwork. Woo! Alright, hold on. Okay, now slow down, slow down. Let's get Doug behind that fish. There you go. Okay, let him get behind it. Okay, now I want you to lift up high for me. Way up there. Oh, okay, bring it down right again. Hold on, Doug. Wait until he gets that head up, okay? He's not getting it up yet. Okay, now it's pissed off, right? Let it do that. Let it do it. Just gotta wear it down. We're gonna bring it back. Maybe move down a little bit more. Let's get him that soft spot.
Things fight hard.
Let's go downstream with it. Keep that rod back to your right. Knox, move out of there for me, okay?
Oh wow, he's really fighting.
Yep, he's going. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Let him go. Keep side pressure. See how that brings him over? Okay, we're gonna land him down here. So Doug, get down a little bit lower. Hold on, don't go down too far. I'm gonna hold you like a leash.
Yep.
Hey Doug, look at this.
I got 2 leashes.
What guides do, right? It's like you gotta grab back. Okay.
Ready?
Now wait. Let Doug get close. Okay. Wait for it to stop in front. Then you're gonna lift that head up. Okay. Doug, wait. Ready? Now lift up.
Yeah.
Woo!
Great job, buddy.
There you go. Way to go. Way to go.
Great job, buddy. That's teamwork there.
He's puking up worms. That's when he hit your worm. See that?
Yeah.
It's a worm he puked up and he hit your brown worm that was on there.
Can you imagine eating a handful of worms?
Cross water's cold on my
That a kid,
hands.
dude. Nice job.
Well done.
Good battle too. You know, it would give you little spurts of fighting, you know, and that's kind of fun when they go on those little quick runs.
Yeah, as soon as you want to net him, you just...
Like, why is he casting at him? I'm like, oh. I'm like, but let's do it right. We're going to do it, we might as well do this right.
That's awesome. Here, yeah, hold on. Put it back in. We'll get the camera ready and we'll make sure it's a good shot. You got to do it right.
Good job, bud.
You know, if you're gonna do it, you got to do it right. That's a great little lesson learned for the day. If you do
if you do it, you might as well do it right.
If you're gonna do one thing, do that right to catch that sweet 14, 15-inch brown. Nice job, buddy.
I'm coming to you. Dad! I can't move without falling. Okay. I'm standing behind you. It's still strong behind you.
Oh, I know.
Ah.
I don't like you holding on to me.
Here?
No. Okay, I'm gonna go, you stay. 1.
Hold on, let me get my stance.
Okay, then you come.
1, 2. How do you get through this? Go right a little bit shallower. It looks shallower. I'm going right. Here we go.
Trying to make it to where both of us can.
Right here. Okay.
Good?
for now.
Still. Watch the pull.
How do you get through it so easily?
That kicked my ass.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're doing good. We're doing good.
You really just turned that on. I want to punch you.
I should have done it before we started.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Oh, you just got
Some
it.
of those rocks
Yep.
get you.
Yep.
Like that one.
Yeah.
Yep. You just gotta go with it. And all right, cool. I'm gonna go down this side here. Now we're good.
Okay. Where do you, which one is yours?
Green.
Okay, keep it up.
Wow, that was difficult.
Okay, stay tight to the side here. Let's come behind you. Oh, we got some over here. Going, just go behind.
Keep going.
Keep going, keep going. Let's go work, just keep working this area.
Do you want me to put these back down here?
Yeah, just set them over in here. Hold this for me on this side. We got a clean go on this one.
Yep.
See if we can hit this fish. It's a different fish. Yep. Oh, see it?
Yeah.
Big one, big one. You see it take off? In this area somewhere. Let's move down, inch our way down a little bit. Find the meat. Okay, let's see. You see that? It's kind of like
Is it like that white thing?
it's a dark shadow. It's moving downstream on us. Okay, that's right. He's right in this area here. Okay. Keep looking like that. Sound good? There we go. He's sitting right in this area here. There we go. Good, good. Yep, keep doing that. What you can do is pull it back like this, yeah, and then let it go. It's actually pretty tight to the bone. Lower it down, let it go. Good, right in there. There, set. Yep, good, good. Now go, yep, good job, good job.
There you go.
Good job. Keep it right, yep, reel when you can, reel for me. Okay, get you right up a little bit in this case. Okay, get that hooked up. Okay, stop reeling, stop reeling. Good, good.
Take your time,
Yes,
buddy.
yes, yes. Let him go, let him go. Just let him take line, it's okay, all right? It's okay. Keep your rod back. You're doing great. Just keep the rod bit tip bent.
Other boy.
Okay. Get your rod up a little bit for me. Get him up a little bit. There you go. Because I don't want to rub you off on the rocks there. Go up a little bit. There you go. Okay, now keep that left side pressure. Okay, don't, keep more bent on the rod. There you go. Now you're good. Stay like that. Let me get you below you, okay? Just stay like that. Keep his head down, okay? Doing good.
These things fight hard.
Yep. It's a big fish, right? Alright, hold on.
Wow.
Yeah, this is the fish I was looking at. We got him, okay? We haven't got him yet though. Just take time. We're gonna wear him down, okay? I'm gonna get below you, okay? Just keep that side pressure, okay? You're doing great. This is wearing him down, okay? You're just letting that left go. Play him like that. Keep that bend on the rod tip. Yeah, if he runs, let him take off your line. Don't let him get your rod.
Jeez, he's
Yep,
huge.
He's huge, okay?
He's huge.
Steady pressure. I'm just going to land them, okay, in time, okay? Set down, bring it below. You're doing great, you're doing great. Yep. Just trying to bring them my way, okay? Slowly, slowly. I'm going to fight you, okay? Bring it down, you're doing great, you're doing great. That's it. Yeah, he's moving away from me, that's okay. Just keep the side pressure, just take your time. And then it comes down, reel when you can, okay? But if you can't reel, don't reel, you know what I mean? Just kind of keep his head down, keep him down. And we're going to bring him this way, okay? Keep the rod back left. There you go. So we're steering him back this way, okay? Yep, keep doing that. So he's strong, right? He's big, just takes time. Just got to keep that pressure. And don't wiggle the rod around, just keep it nice and steady. Keep that pressure even. Keep that rod back with a bit on that tip. You're doing great. We're going to try to bring him here. See where I'm pointing at?
Yeah.
That's where we try to bring him. Okay. It takes time. Keep his head down. Keep him down. Keep him down. Stay low. Doing good. He's gonna eventually get tired. He's gonna start to come down. Okay.
You catch an ox?
Okay, keep it down. Concentrate on this fish, okay, Cole? Don't give up on this fish. Focus on him, you'll land him. If you lose concentration, you'll come off on him. Okay? Keep the rod back, keep the rod back. Don't give him the rod, okay? That means keep that bit in the rod. He'll pull off your reel if he wants line, okay? There you go. I want you to bring him back this way for me, okay? Even get him in the slow water. Yeah, you can bring him down a little bit. Keep that side pressure, side pressure. Bring him over here. Pull a little bit back more. Pull a little bit back more. A little bit more. Okay. Now lift. Lift. Yeah!
Yeah!
Woo! Yeah!
Go.
Wow! Awesome, buddy. Good job, good job.
Sit. I'm gonna sit there later.
Yeah, the colors and the spots on this is awesome. It's a beauty. All right, let's go over here. Let's come down here, okay? And then tilt that dorsal fin towards just a little bit. There you go, like that. Perfect.
Oh, it's got like a target spot right here.
Yeah, you see that?
That's
Cool?
awesome.
Beautiful, huh? Bring him up a little bit more. I'm just keeping there for a little bit too, but when he stays in, that's kind of good. I want to revive. He's trying to swim out. There you go. He's
There he
good.
goes.
He does that, he's good.
What
Good
an
job,
awesome
buddy.
fish.
Woo! Well done, buddy. Yeah, that was awesome. Keep walking. Stop walking.
Nope.
Stops and once you lift him, okay? Lift him right to the top of the water. Ready? Lift. Up. High. High, 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 high. That's you, not you. For me. Good job.
Oh.
Yeah, you got one.
There you go.
Yeah.
Got one.
Got one. Good. Keep rolling. Yep, yep. Good. Good job. You know when you're coming? Yep. Good. Keep the rod back. Yep, yep. Doing good. Doing good. Okay, keep side pressure on. Doing good, doing good. You get below him, okay? Just keep that rod back, okay? Stay on that rod all the time. Oh, it's in the tail. Okay, ready? I'm going to have you lift that rod for me. Lift up high. High, high, high.
Yes.
Yeah, buddy. Woo! Good job. Another beauty. Well done, buddy.
Let's go.
So you don't give up on it. Ready?
That's it. He is still.
No, you could have fought one more.
Yeah.
Hey, raise him. Lift him up. Got him.
Oh, yeah.
Great fish. Good job, bud.
Thank you.
Woo!